Welcome to another video on Billbox Post. In this video, I will show you how to use Billbox Post in a service-oriented business. For example, saloons. We have two modes of operations available for this kind of business: kiosk and spa. First of all, I will show you the kiosk mode. To do sales or to do the operation in kiosk mode, go to menu configuration. Under tab General, select Kiosk to configure the software for kiosk mode operation. Once the configuration is done, click Save and then restart the software. Once the software is back, you can go to the Sales menu to do sales. Here on top we have different service categories, and below we have different service category service items. Click on one service category and then select one item. When you click on a service item, you will be asked who is going to service this item. Let me select one staff or beautician to do the service. I can assign multiple staff. If I want to remove one staff, I can just toggle this button, and once the staff is assigned, click OK, and the staff will appear here. At this point, if you want to do the payment right away, then you can press cash button or card, whatever is it. If you want to hold this bill till the service is done, then you can press this plus button and then you can put your customer name here. Once the service is done, you can go to the queue button and then select the customer to do the payment. You can add multiple customers to the queue like this. Now let me show you how to use the second mode, which is spa. For that, go to the menu configuration. Under tab General, for the tickets drop down, click spa, click save, and then restart the software. Once the software is back, you can log in and then you will be here in this particular mode, spa. Here you have different departments. For me, I have a department haircut and I have 6 chairs here. Let me show you how to add a customer to the first chair. Click on that chair and then click on the category, then select item, assign your staff. You can add multiple items you want with different staffs, and once done, you can come back to the floor. If you want to add second customer, again select category and then select item, assign staff, go back to the table menu. Now to process payment for this customer, click on the chair and then just do the payment like this. Now I am going to show you another interesting feature: reservations. Here, this is a calendar. Here I can move different dates, and here different time slots are available. Here different chairs or department slots here. To make an appointment, I just have to click one of the button against the chair and how. I can configure my time here, 9:45, let's say. Select the customer. If you want to add any new customer, you just have to enter the name here and then click save. If you want to fill other fields, those are optional. So once you select the customer, you can select category, service category, and then an item belong to that category, and then staff. Once done, you can click plus. You can add multiple services like this. Once done, click OK. Now, to service this customer, you just have to click on this customer and then click on the receive button. From here, you can directly go to the payment to process the payment. If you want to add other items, you can add from here also. Once done, click on the payment button. That's how you process the payment. Now let's see how to use different buttons here. Let me add some items. From here you can assign a customer against the bill. You can use this button to split a bill into two. You can select the second customer from here. Once done, press OK. If you want to reprint the ticket, you can use this button. If you want to delete an item, you can use this button. If you want to edit an item, you can use this button. If you want to search for an item and add, you can use this button. If you want to change quantity very rarely, in that case you can use this button. You can use this button to open the drawer. If you want to add discount against the bill, you can use this button. If you want to just name this bill with a temporary customer name, you can use this button. This will not go to the customer database. And once done, you can go to the payment. Now let's see sales reports. Here there is an important report for saloons. Waiter log. Here, if you want to see commissions and revenue generated by different service person, you can use this report. If you want to generate the report for just one staff, then you can select that particular staff and then press execute filter. That will generate the report for one particular customer with the commissions and revenue generated or earned by him. Let me show you how to edit the sales. You can use this button to do that. You can make refunds from here. If you want to purchase anything for your saloon or your service business, you can add from here. You can watch the video on purchase to know more details about that, or you can go refer to the documentation to get more info on that. If you have any payments apart from sales and purchase, you can use these buttons. Again, there is a different documentation available for that. You can refer to that. This is your customer database, supplier database. Now, remember that when you select an item, you have to select one particular staff or more than one staff to do the service, right? So how to configure that? Under the stock menu, under maintenance, there is receipt notes. Click on that, and here you can add those staffs. You can select which color the button needs to use. That can be selected from here. Once the details are filled, click plus sign to add the customer. And that's about saloon mode or service mode businesses. I will see you in a different video. Until then, bye bye.